Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Stripe webhook signature with official libraries, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Stripe webhook signature, first, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section from the main dashboard. Click on Webhooks in the sidebar to view your configured webhooks. Locate the specific webhook you want to verify. Copy the signing secret from the webhook details. In your projects directory, ensure you have the official Stripe library installed. If you haven't installed it yet, use the appropriate package manager for your programming language. For example, if you're using Node.js, run npm install Stripe. Next, create a handler function to receive incoming webhook events. In this function, retrieve the raw body of the request. This is necessary to correctly verify the signature. Now, access the Stripe library using the required import statement in your code. Use the library's webhook signing method to verify the signature. For example, in Node.js, use stripe.webhooks.construct event. Pass the raw body, the signature header, and your signing secret as arguments. Ensure proper error handling is in place. Catch any exceptions that may occur during signature verification. Log the errors for debugging purposes. If the signature is valid, process the incoming event. Otherwise, respond with an error status to indicate the verification failed. Make sure to test your webhook with Stripe's test mode. Send test webhook events from the Stripe dashboard to check your setup. Verify that your implementation responds correctly to both valid and invalid signatures. Once verified, deploy your code to your production environment. Regularly monitor your webhook endpoints to ensure they are functioning correctly. That's how you can securely verify your Stripe webhook signatures using official libraries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.